This is African technology.
So spoiled.
Yes, our dear viewers, we are making saucepans. I want to welcome all of you to this YouTube channel. And today, I'm going to take you through a process, how saucepans are cycled here. This is the process. We are just starting.
This is how we can protect cooking pot from the fire. Even ringing bells we can make from aluminum.
He's a very intelligent and a genius man. He has a lot of knowledge in blacksmithing.
We can make designs for the gates, which usually people, welders use to design gates. We can make that one from aluminum. So after covering the cooking pot with the mud, and then you put what's the name of this?
That is ash.
Ash, so that the soil, the mud there cannot remove easily. So this is the oven now. Inside the oven,
This is the pipe we use for blowing the oven.
and yes, it is the way.
So we are inserting the pipe. This is the end part of it where we use it for blowing. So this is what we use to blow this oven here.
Otherwise, if we could have electricity we could pump it with the electricity. So we don't have electricity, we are pumping it locally.
You can see. So
how you set the pipe to blow the wind inside.
is testing whether the setup is working. So that is the pipe which takes the air into the oven. Now this is the manual way of setting fire that can melt aluminium. We are setting fire, as you can see.
As I said before, if it would be with the electricity, we would not use charcoal. That's how we pump.
And we are using charcoal because there is no electricity. So the purpose of blowing is to increase heat in the furnace. So these are the things we are going to melt. These aluminum metals, we are going to melt them. And from these metals, we shall make saucepans out of them. These handbells.
And this is aluminum. This aluminum is Some aluminum we get from the hubs of the motorcycles, from the engines of the vehicles, and the other parts of the machines. Even we get aluminum from.
These are some of the saucepans made.
These are the sizes of.
As you can see. So you're softening that soil first.
Yes. Soften it.
So this is the soil he uses to make the molds. For any material he wants to make, he uses this soil.
And also the soil. The water.
So we are preparing the mold. So he's making this soil very soft and smooth.
The substance will be very smooth. Like that. If you want to make this size, this type, you start it like that. First of all, clean the inside part, and then you put soil inside.
So he's making a mold.
Smooth soil. So the soil inside here will give the design of this saucepan. I'm making the bed for the design. And then this is how system goes. Now how we obtain the design. Yeah. Now here I'm designing how the handle can come out. Then both sides like that. Here how the handle can come out, and then here the handle is even. This soil here, I'm putting it here to give what this soil here will give the hole of the handle. So here I'm losing it to come out from the model easily. Now here, this box here is to obtain the model, the design from the copy, which obtains the size. So this soil is to bring the design here of the model. Now it can start to melt. You can even see how it goes. This work here is it will fit for the kids, because kids need to play, but they cannot play good. They are not playing good play, but for us we are playing good play in the soil. It's not baby Francis school, it's baby Francis, we are the one. Baby Francis is lying. Because somebody can come and say that I'm playing, but I'm not playing. That's why kids like my work. For them, it appears that we are all playing. Now this is the hole where we pour the melt material of aluminum. how it melts. It's becoming liquid now.
Consider subscribing to this channel, like what we are doing, and share with other more people so that they also see what we do here is so amazing. This is African technology. No electricity, but we are using the local means of melting aluminium. So why are you covering the oven?
We cover it because we want the heat to not go outside. It cannot melt easily. We lose some
So it's molding here, saucepan. So the liquid from the other melted aluminium is the one which is going to be poured here
through this hole. This line I'm making it for to know whether it's when we put this line, we know where we move it and then where
we put it back.
Make this back. And then this is the design of the saucepan, which will make the saucepan.
So they have molded, this is the saucepan, the mold of the saucepan. So it is the design now.
And even it appears like the saucepan.
So it's smoothening it.
Yeah. Outside. So that is the outside part of the saucepan, and then this is inside part
Of the saucepan.
So that one there is the cover outside, and then this one here is the inside part, which will make one saucepan. So here I'm softening. So when you soften it, and then you place it back so that you obtain saucepan out of. The mold is ready, waiting for the cooked so aluminium will pour it there. Okay? Yeah, the process is finished.
Wow.
Now we are waiting for the
liquid aluminium
to come here to make to produce here what? The saucepan now. Process takes, but when you obtain a saucepan which is sold with 25,000, lastly you forget about the process which lasts. Because you like that you can obtain a saucepan of 25, even of 80, even of 150, and this one here is of 15.
15,000.
Yes.
This one you're making.
Yes. just taken process, but when it is red like that, you get it is now 15,000. And a day if you make this one 20, which means you have made some money. It's coming.
Yeah. So you're going to make that one also, that big one?
Yes, I'm going to make this big one. This size here, we sell it at 35,000.
So that's the aluminum sulfate.
When it goes without closing, ready? Yes. You are better than me. You are better than
So,
me.
I'm blowing.
You are blowing.
The furnace.
Yeah.
It's now full.
It's now full. Have you seen? The aluminum becomes liquid now. Liquid form.
So now when it changes, we need to orange. Yes, orange. This is now the rubbish, which is obtained from which comes out from the aluminium. So I'm going to pour it. Zia fanale ni mui ogoi, amuru ali muche ogoi. The soil is good. The water is too much, that's why it's doing like that.
The bubbles.
Is it as if not? Is hey.
Yeah. So spoiled.
Using bubbles.
Otherwise, actually, it appears.